Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages, where we make affiliates profitable. All right, this episode is, where is my notes? Where is my notes? That's horrible grammar. Where are my notes? How to get affiliate link instructions, affiliate link Amazon, and this is a new video for that. So a ton of people that I talk to through social media feel like a lot of digital products are not legitimate, but Amazon, getting an Amazon link or getting an Amazon associate link, as they're called, is legitimate, which is crazy. And you know what? I'm going to debunk that. I'm going to show you why Amazon getting an Amazon link may not be the best thing for your business. It could be part of your business, but it might not be your full-blown business unless you want to go a completely different route than what I like to do. Anyways, if you like videos on making money online, make sure you hit subscribe button and smash the notification. And let's get into how do you get your Amazon link. It's really easy, guys. You go over to Amazon Associates or just Google Amazon Associates, and you're going to get a page. I'll show you right here. Depending on your I think .com or .ca. And you basically just sign up for it, and it's really simple. It takes maybe about 4 or 5 minutes to walk through it. You do have to put some bank information in there on how you want to get paid, and if you're not a citizen of the United States, there's a W-8, but it's really easy to fill out because it's kind of pre-populated. You just answer the questions and it goes through. Like, I'm Canadian, so I don't file taxes in the States, so I get there's a treaty with Canada, and there's a treaty with multiple countries with the US where they won't collect taxes even though you may get paid by an American company because you're not doing work in America. So that's really it. Here's the downside about Amazon though, guys. This is just a reality of Amazon. They pay lousy commissions. Like, you gotta do a lot of sales. It's just reality. You have to do a ton of sales. Whereas if you go over to something called ClickBank, where you can sell digital products, which I highly recommend. Let me show my screen here. And guys, my sniffle is just allergies. It is spring. I am cursed with crazy allergies. Like guys, there's so much stuff. Like, here's Home and Garden. What's in Home and Garden here? This is ClickBank, guys, and it's free to be an associate there. Look at this, guys. What's $65 for one sale? You get 75% commissions, guys. 75% commissions. You know what Amazon pays you? Amazon pays you 5 to 7% commissions. That's just reality, guys. And 7 is high. Actually, it would used to be. Actually, I think it's smaller than that. I really don't promote Amazon. My wife and I, if we buy something on Amazon and my wife tells a friend and she goes, oh, make me an Amazon link for that thing, that's how I sell it. A couple of my blogs, I do have a few Amazon links on, but it's not my bread and butter. You have to sell so much through Amazon to make any money. So if you have, and I'm going to talk about techniques of doing what to do with your Amazon link. But here's the reality, guys. And this is what I think the best path for someone that's getting into being an online marketer. If you have no money, it's going to be a long, long journey. That's reality. If you don't have any money to invest, it's going to be a long journey, guys. It really is. Because to promote really good recurring programs that are going to pay you, you're going to have to spend a few $100s a month just to belong to those programs in order to have all the tools that they provide to you, but to make commissions. But on the flip side, if you start building it, you get recurring residual income, and it goes on and on and on. So I'm talking to people that, like, if you have no money, guys, stick around to the end. I'll talk about how you can get started for free. If you guys have some money, like you have, a few $100s that you want to say, I'm tired of working, I'm still got my 9 to 5, or you're going back to your 9 to 5, if that's the case, but you want to make some money on the side. There's a really easy way to do it by putting money into it. And I don't mean buying crypto or buying those crazy, put $200 in and we'll pay you $2,000. That's just all bullshit Ponzi stuff, guys. That is just, it's pure, it's called a high yield income plan or program or whatever. Other words Ponzi, maybe 1 in 1,000, or if you're the inventor of it. Anyways, no, this is where you pay to be a reseller and use a platform, and they pay you a really good commission. Usually it's around 50%. And the program that I really highly recommend, which is going to be the link down below, is where it's 4 income streams in one. And you basically set it up and you just buy traffic every month, and they tell you where to buy. They give you the best converting traffic, and you just build a business there. What that does is you get people onto your email list, and then you pop over to ClickBank, and you can send them an email once a day. You could set up a schedule where you're going to send an email 3 times a day, and you sell them products from ClickBank. And you just continue to build your list, and you build your revenue, or you can just, you can keep building that business there, because it has really great sticky residual income that works really well. Now, that's the one program I want to talk to you about, and that's being an affiliate. That's being kind of a recurring revenue program. I have 4 of them that make me very good money. They all took some time to start paying for themselves, and then they started making profit, and now each of them makes a great little profit that sustains my business. Now, I also build blogs. I also build websites. I'll get an idea in my head. I want to go make this page. And what am I going to put on this page? I'm just going to put content that's going to go back to affiliate offers. So the latest one I did is called howdoyou.me, and I've just been loading it up with content. It's only a couple of weeks old. It's already starting to get some traffic. It's already starting to rank in some of the search engines. Now, if you're completely broke and you want to take that method, again, it's a long, slow road. I'm doing it because I'm looking for different avenues to set up where I'm really making purely passive income, where, a website that will cost me, $10 a month or $10 a year for the domain. I'm already paying for my server with one of the programs that I'm in. I have unlimited server space, and then all I need to do is put content on it, whether I'm buying a PLR, which is a private label rights, or which is someone wrote something and I can buy it and I can use that for a post and then rework it so I can SEO it, or I'll go get some iWriter to write it, or I've been playing around with artificial intelligence writing, which is really, really cool. So all those sort of things. And if you're interested in that stuff, guys, message me. But like I said, if you're broke, that's the method you're going to go, but it will take quite a long time, and you're going to be having to blog. Like, because my other businesses, my online businesses, take me no time, because what I'm doing is I buy traffic, it puts people into this one program, I get up and I write an email, and that's kind of my work, right, for the day. Like, I write an email, I do a couple social media posts, and that's it. The rest of the time I'm kind of just messaging people that are messaging me about what am I doing online. Now, the blog stuff is I'm trying different methods. I'm trying PLR. I'm trying hiring writers. Like, you can get an article written for $10 at iWrite, or I think it's iWriter. You can get 1,000 words for about $10. Or you can use artificial intelligence, and that costs you, I think I got about $1 to get a post done. And I'm just trying all these different ways and see which one works best. So that's kind of what I'm doing as kind of busy work. And that's probably to put a blog post together realistically takes about an hour. I'll sort of research, go on to, I use Uber Suggest, or Uber Tools, I don't know, Uber something, the Neil Patel one, and I research low-hanging words. Here, let me show you. What was I just looking up? Uber Suggest is what I was doing. Okay, yeah. So guys, I just did a blog post for how to fix a dead battery. This is because there's a great program on ClickBank called Easy Car Reconditioning. So what I did here, let me show my screen here. So in Uber Suggest, I typed in fix a dead battery, right? And it said the SEO difficulty is only 10. So that's awesome. It's showing me how to fix, where's the, okay, it's showing me 70 volume, but I think it was how to fix a dead battery on a car, I think is what it was. Fix a dead battery on a car or something like that. And it was coming up with like 400 searches. Oh, there it is. How to revive a dead battery. How to fix a dead battery. Anyways, I came up with a search that had, like, I think it was 250 or 300 searches a month. So but there was no competition for it, guys. It was like very, very super low competition. So I created a blog post. Let's find it here. Basically, how to fix a dead battery. Now, what I did is I went in and I found, first I found a, oh, I did this with AI. So I did it, I used a tool called, this one here, the, what's it called? appconversion.ai. I'll put a link to it because it's a referral link. I don't get paid money, but I get credits for it. So you put it and you kind of play around with it, and it spits out really, really good content. So I used that to generate this, how to fix dead car battery. I got a picture from Pixabay. I put in a headline. I used Photoshop, but you could use Canva. And then I did give some information. You can try a jumpstart or distilled water. So I want, if people come here and they go, how to fix a dead battery in a car, I want to give them the information. I want it to be real information. Like, here you go. There's some information. If this does not work, please keep reading. And then I go in to talk about the easy battery reconditioning. And they have a blog that you can put your affiliate link in that takes them to your blog, but it cookies to you. So you can go through and you can kind of give the stuff like this. I grabbed another picture off Pixabay of a cell phone, and then look at, guys, here's one of my programs right in this post. This is another one of my programs here. Over here, this is another one of my programs that I promote. So I just want people to land here, and if I can scrape off 100 visitors a month to come here, I may sell an easy battery conditioning thing, or I may they may be interested in one of my programs here. And here's another one at the bottom. So basically this is what I'm doing, and just sort of playing around and working. I have multiple blogs, guys, that I get different I get traffic from everywhere. So if I look at where my main traffic, my 30 to 50 leads that pop into my autoresponder every day, is I get probably anywhere from 5 to 10 off Twitter, because I have recurring posts going on Twitter all the time. I have probably 10 come off my different blog posts. I have another 25 to 30, depending on the day, come from paid traffic. And then I have, what else? Instagram once in a while. I don't get a lot from Instagram because I don't do that much on Instagram. And I just started getting, I got a couple of leads. I just started doing some more on Pinterest. So I'm getting stuff from Pinterest. So why I'm building out this blog is I've got all these blogs. I'm trying to interconnect them and start ranking them. And once I can get these ranking, well, just more and more people are showing up on your page. So I recommend doing, if you're going to do a niche site from ClickBank, do a single site about a thing. Like there's easy battery recycling, and there's wood sheds and stuff like that. You could do it like a home do-it-yourself kind of blog, or you get really, really, really specific and just promote kind of one product. I'm playing around because I came up with this howdoyoudo.me. It's kind of like, how do you do things? So I'm just playing around with different niches. So I'm just sort of playing around with I talked about, like, I wasn't going to do anything out of like sort of the make money horoscope kind of thing. But then I thought, like, you know what, I'm just going to use this as a basically a sample kind of a mix mash site that I'm going to backlink to my other sites. I'm also working on another program. So anyways, a long story short, guys, the quick way to do it is join a program that has it all done for you, where you can just sort of throw some money at traffic, and that's going to, and again, no guarantees, but you will get leads. And when you send emails to leads, generally they buy. The second way to do it is to start blogging and creating a presence online. That is the slow route. It will take you time, but it's doable, guys. There's blogs that sold for hundreds of millions of dollars because the guy just you know, or gals, they've just started years ago and just kept growing that blog, and it's so massive that it gets so much traffic that a big company comes in and goes, yeah, we'll buy that. We want the traffic, right? Advertising, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, that's what I have for you guys. So hopefully you liked it. Now, if you want to click some of the programs I'm talking about or join me, or if you just want to have a conversation, like that's probably the best to do is message me, drop a link, or drop a comment below and say, hey, Glenn, I want to get started. I don't know how to get started. I do want to get, and you know, always go get an Amazon link. Make sure you have that, because it's always good to have it. If you buy anything on Amazon, it's really great to be able to refer it out, especially if you're holding the product. Like, you know, we have the mic right here, the Yeti mic. It came from Amazon. What else is in it? This fan is from Amazon. These lights are from Amazon. There's lots of stuff from Amazon. I think that lamp's from Amazon. We're Prime members. Anyways, guys, hopefully this is helpful. Make sure you hit subscribe. Click the links below. Check out, I'll put in some of the sales funnels of some of the programs I belong to. Most of them have 30-day money back guarantees or whatever. Try them out. Go look at them. But remember, this is a business, and businesses take money to operate. So you need to be throwing money at your business. Some people throw, you know, a few $100s a month and make a really good return. Others throw, you know, when people start to scale, I know marketers that are spending $10,000 and $20,000 a month on ads because they've grown their business to a point with sort of all the organic stuff, and now they're going, well, I want to take it to the next level, so they start advertising and really spending money on advertising. I don't recommend doing that at first. I mean, unless you have a lot, because you're going to make a lot of mistakes, right? So start with a program where you know where with the paid traffic, it converts at about every 30 to 60 leads converts into a sale. And again, this is a disclaimer, I can't guarantee anything, but that's what's happening for me. But you have to do the work. You know, some people only buy one traffic package and then stop, and they go, well, I got 60 hits, but you know, no one signed up. It's like, well, yeah, because it's a numbers game. It takes a certain amount of time to get those averages between 30 and 60 people. You're just going to get a sale. And yes, maybe it'll go 120, and then you'll get 3 sales in the next 30 people. So it does average out. It's not an exact science. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Again, if you want to know what I'm doing, make sure you click the links below. And again, reach out, comment, and any questions, I will try to answer them immediately. Don't spam, please. It just makes you look bad. It makes the company that you're representing look bad. This doesn't do anybody any good. It's just spam. All right, guys. Have a great day. Cheers.